When was the last time you thought about your blood pressure? I'm guessing not recently, right? It's one of those things that doesn't seem important until it is. What if I told you that your blood pressure could be silently damaging your heart, brain, kidneys, and even your eyes without you even knowing it? Scary, huh? But don't worry. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about blood pressure, why it matters so much, and most importantly, how you can lower it naturally and effectively. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll have the tools you need to take control of your health like a pro. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first, what even is blood pressure and why should you care? Imagine your arteries are like garden hoses carrying blood from your heart to the rest of your body. Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the walls of those arteries as your heart pumps. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. If that pressure is too high for too long, it can seriously damage your arteries and organs. High blood pressure, or hypertension, doesn't just happen overnight. It builds up over time, often with no warning signs. That's why it's called the silent killer. You might feel fine, but your body could be under constant strain. And if you ignore it, well, that's when the trouble starts. Think heart attacks, strokes, kidney disease, and even blindness. Not exactly a good time. Now, don't freak out just yet because the good news is that there's a lot you can do to manage your blood pressure and keep your heart and arteries in tip-top shape. Let's break it down step by step. First up, we've got your diet. What you eat plays a massive role in your blood pressure. If you're constantly grabbing fast food, salty snacks, or processed junk, you're basically inviting high blood pressure to stick around. So what's the fix? One word, DASH. Ever heard of the DASH diet? It stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. Fancy name, simple concept. It's all about loading up on foods that are naturally good for your heart, like fruits, veggies, whole grains, lean protein, and low-fat dairy, while cutting back on salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. The real kicker here is sodium. Most of us eat way too much salt without even realizing it. It's hiding in processed foods, frozen dinners, and even things like bread and sauces. Reducing your sodium intake can work wonders for your blood pressure. Aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. Ideally, keep it under 1,500 milligrams. And don't forget about potassium. It's like the superhero of blood pressure control. Foods like bananas, avocados, spinach, and sweet potatoes are packed with potassium, which helps balance out sodium's effects and keeps your blood vessels relaxed. But it's not just about what you eat. It's also about how much you move. Let's talk exercise. If you're thinking, ugh, I hate working out, I get it. But here's the thing. You don't need to spend hours at the gym or become a marathon runner to lower your blood pressure. Even just 30 minutes of moderate activity, like brisk walking, 5 days a week can make a massive difference. Exercise helps your heart get stronger, so it doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood. That means less strain on your arteries and lower blood pressure. And if you can throw in a couple of strength training sessions each week, even better. The key is to find something you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or playing pickleball, and make it a regular part of your routine. Consistency is what counts. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Now, let's talk about something we all deal with, stress. Stress is a sneaky little thing that can send your blood pressure skyrocketing. Think about it. When you're stressed, your heart races, your breathing gets shallow, and your body floods with stress hormones like cortisol. Over time, this constant state of fight or flight can take a serious toll on your blood pressure. So how do you keep stress in check? The trick is finding activities that help you relax. This could be meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or even just taking a walk outside. And let's not underestimate the power of good sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, and if you're not getting enough, your blood pressure can creep up. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, and you'll feel the difference. Okay, let's address the big elephant in the room, smoking and drinking. If you smoke, now's the time to quit. Smoking damages your blood vessels, making them stiff and narrow, which raises your blood pressure. The same goes for excessive alcohol. A glass of wine here and there is fine, but binge drinking? Not so much. It can spike your blood pressure and pack on extra calories that you probably don't need. Moderation is the name of the game here. And what if you've tried all these lifestyle changes and your blood pressure is still too high? That's where medications come in. Don't be afraid to talk to your doctor about it. Medications like diuretics, ACE inhibitors, or beta blockers can be incredibly effective when used alongside a healthy lifestyle. Just make sure to follow your doctor's advice and take your meds as prescribed. So, what's the bottom line? Managing your blood pressure doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small. Swap out salty snacks for fresh fruit. Take a walk around the block instead of binge watching another episode. Try a quick meditation session before bed. These little changes might not seem like much on their own, but together, they can have a huge impact on your health. And the best part? You're not just lowering your blood pressure, you're improving your overall quality of life. Before you go, here's the takeaway. Your blood pressure is more than just a number. It's a snapshot of your heart's health. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you. If you learned something new today or found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.